Welcome to my channel. You may be wondering why my hair is wet. Well, today is a self-care day and I got my box from Sigmatic and I wanted to show you this new thing, two new things that they came out with. I got all three of these in a beauty bundle for $105. So I wanted to explain their whole concept with everything. So this is called Eat Your Beauty, and the whole thing behind Sigmatic is mushrooms are like an everyday magic to where it helps you with different stuff like calming down, beauty, fine lines and wrinkles, giving you energy, all kinds of different stuff. So the thing that really intrigued me was that both of these products can be used as like a dual purpose. So the face mask, for instance, you'll see it says face mask and a tonic. So on one side is for the supplements and the other side is directions for a face mask. And since I am a procrastinator, I go through phases of having days where I really just want to sleep and not do anything. But being an independent adult, not really a thing to do. So I thought today was a good day to really get up, do some self-care, clean, make me healthier. Let's go through the serum now. So the serum is obviously a regular face serum, and then you can go on this other side where the supplements are, and then the serum, and they have instructions for both sides. So the directions for the serum is to apply twice daily to face and neck after cleansing and toning, massage thoroughly into skin. Then you can use it as a supplement. So you can do 4 drops into your mouth for a wellness support. And then what I think is cool is it has these little things that kind of give you an idea of how much you actually can use this. And so this is what the serum looks like. Super cute packaging. I have tasted this already. Doesn't taste like anything. If anyone knows me, I am the pickiest eater you will ever meet in your entire life. So if I say I like something, I literally only eat pasta, chicken, and pizza. You can ask anybody that had ever met me or has known me for longer than like 2 weeks, they can vouch for that. Oh, I haven't opened the face mask yet. So the face mask says you can have 20 cups for the dietary supplement or the tonic, and then it's good for 13 face masks. And then the directions for the face mask says to mix 1.5 teaspoons with 1 teaspoon of water, apply to skin, and allow 10 to 15 minutes to dry, rinse and use weekly. And then for the directions for the tonic, it says to mix 1 teaspoon with 7 ounces of hot water. I have not seen what the face masks look like. That's a huge face mask. Oh, thank the Lord. It comes with a little like wooden spoon. Mix it on it. I wonder if this measures it right. This is really cool. We're gonna be trying out both of these things today, and I also wanted to give a shout out to the mushroom golden latte mix. I personally do not like coffee, do not like lattes, not my thing. This, however, I have drank a whole box of these so far, and I really like this. It does come out to be like a neon, well, not neon, it's like a, literally the color of this is what the drink looks like, but it is so good. And along with that, I also got a bunch of the hot chocolate. So I got 2 of each. I got 2 of this one and 2 of this one, and I like this so far. I've only used it once, so I will definitely update on all of these. So let's get into mixing this face mask because I am really excited. So it says mix 1.5 teaspoons with a teaspoon of water. Apply to skin and allow 10 to 15 minutes to dry, rinse, and use weekly. Ooh, I know what this smells like, but I don't at the same time. This looks gorgeous though. I really wish I could show you. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna be mixing it down at the bottom because I don't want to mess up my setup, but I do want to mix it in a clear container so that you can see what it looks like. I'm gonna start off with doing the teaspoon of water, and from what I've seen, it should be more like a paste. What does that smell like? It smells like something I know, but I can't put my finger on it. I wish my boyfriend was home because I know he would know what this is instantly. I've gotten it mixed up in there. It's really creamy. Finger, it looks like that. Now, I should probably, I'm just gonna put that on my face right there, and then I'm gonna put my hair up. Because I want to get a face mask in my hair. And I like to put face mask on with my hands unless it's something where I have to like peel it off. I really like this spoon. Whoa. So first off, I feel like it's gonna clear my sinuses. You can also kind of feel the little bits of the powder in there. While I'm putting this on, I want to talk about what it's good for. So this is supposed to help to clear out your pores, supposed to help with fine lines, supposed to help to reduce redness in the skin. It's also supposed to help with hydrating the skin as well. This smells really good. Apparently, the description on the box says it's supposed to taste like a Mexican hot chocolate. I've never had a Mexican hot chocolate, and if I did, I didn't know I was having a Mexican hot chocolate, but it smells delicious and it feels amazing. I already can feel it drying down. All right, so that is pretty much the entire bit of that face mask. It does dry pretty fast, like this side. I don't know if you can tell, but like the parts that are shiny are still wet, and the parts that are dry that aren't shiny, it's crazy. So while we're letting this dry, I'm gonna go make the drink and I will let you guys know what it tastes like. So while I was mixing up the tonic, it did say to mix 1 teaspoon with 7 ounces of hot water. I noticed that this face mask got pretty tight and it dried really fast, but I have the tonic in my little Reese's cup here. It looks really dark in the cup, but when I'm pulling it out, it just looks like muddy water almost. But what this is supposed to help with is detox support. That's supposed to help you sleep better, stress reducer, and it's also an antioxidant. I made mine pretty hot. It's probably my fault. I'm really afraid of burning myself. I can't do it. Ooh, but let's look at an up close of this face mask, shall we? You can see where it's been drying. It still smells amazing. It doesn't really taste like anything. It literally tastes like hot water. I'm waiting for like an aftertaste. Wow, for how strong that smells, I'm surprised it doesn't taste like anything. I don't know if maybe I'm just smelling it and my brain is like tricking me, but it really doesn't smell like it or taste like anything. I still feel like this side is still a bit wet. I do still have about 4 minutes until the 15-minute mark. So I'm gonna drink the rest of this. I'll see you guys when I take this face mask off, and then we will talk about the Superfood serum. Alright, so I just got done washing my face. My face still is a little red from just rinsing it off. From what I noticed, it was really easy to wash it off. It did still have those little like grainy bits, but I feel like it exfoliated a lot of the dead skin off of my face. So after I thought that I rinsed all of it off, I looked up in the mirror and it had like this black residue almost. It kind of has a little bit of it in the coffee mug, this like where the powder didn't all the way dissolve, and it could be just a user error, but I did go in with a drop of my Peter Thomas Roth anti-aging cleanser, and it took everything off in a second. So I'm pretty happy about that. Now for the drink, I have finished about half of it. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to show you, but I finished almost all of it. And the more I drank it and the colder that it got, I like it tasting like hot water more than like room temperature water, if that makes any sense. I might put it in the refrigerator and see how I like it as cold water, but as like room temperature, it really doesn't taste like anything. I don't know why it doesn't taste like anything to me. Like, I keep mixing it up to see if maybe like I didn't mix it enough and like some of it is on the bottom, but it really, to me, doesn't taste like anything. Like, it literally tastes like water. Now that we got most of the face mask out of the way, I'm gonna go over the serum. So with the serum, it does say to apply twice daily to your face and neck after cleansing and toning. So I am gonna go in with the little sample size of the Tatcha, the essence. Also, another thing with the face mask is that my face doesn't feel dry at all. My lips are really dry at the moment, but it's probably because the weather got super cold and rainy and it snowed in some parts of Texas. So I think my lips are just like traumatized right now. My skin feels really soft, it doesn't feel dry, even though that face mask was a bit tightening. It feels more like an oil than a serum. I'm gonna press it in, and it does say to face and neck, and I do think I got a little bit too much. I probably shouldn't have gotten that much. And I have tried the serum so far because when I got this I was super excited about it. It smells almost like citrusy almost. Oh yeah, it does. It has citrus, grapefruit, peel oil. Little benefits about the serum is that it helps with pretty much the same thing with the face mask, so they really work hand in hand, where it helps with fine lines, redness. So everyone in the little promotion things keep like, I don't know, I'm a little bit afraid of that. I'm just gonna do that much, and then like, this really doesn't taste like anything. That's so weird. Last couple bits of everything, wrapping this all up. But this whole thing with Sigmatic is called #eatyourbeauty, and it's supposed to be food for your skin inside and out. I also think that this is a very affordable way to start off your new year, especially if you're looking to add little things that are good for you incorporated into your everyday life. So as a face mask, you have a tonic. So you already like face masks, do a face mask. And then you have calcium, iron, cinnamon, reishi, chaga, nutmeg, activated charcoal, ginger, citric acid, all kinds of different stuff in this face mask to add and drink while you're doing the face mask. 2-in-1. Plus the serum. You do a serum at least once a day if you're good with your skincare. If that's one of your New Year's goals, doing more skincare, a good everyday serum to reduce fine lines, reduce redness, hydrate your skin, smooth out your skin, and then you can also use it as a dietary supplement. So just do whatever I did, to just pump it out on your hands, scoop it up, lick it up. It doesn't taste like anything, which is a lot for me to say. Like I said, my mom, if you are watching this video, comment down below and justify what I'm saying, because my mom knows more than anybody else that I've been the pickiest eater since I was born. So for the serum, it has avocado fruit oil, olive fruit oil, reishi, don't know how to say that, honeysuckle, Japanese honeysuckle flower extract, grapefruit peel oil, and it's all on the box for you. It's super easy. Everything is vegan, cruelty free, no fillers, chemicals. I really love Sigmatic for everything that they do. Everything is USA organic. all on the boxes for you. Everything that you ever need to know is just on the boxes. And then they have like, try this product with nut milk, smoothies, coconut oil, and it has the date. Clear as day, nothing super complicated to read. So I will definitely be trying this out. I will probably check back in about this. I want to say in like 3 weeks, I'm gonna try and use the serum on an everyday basis, and I'm gonna be using the face mask at least once a week. I'm gonna try to do it twice a week, but I really think this is a great idea, especially to release this right now in the new year. Everyone's trying to get healthier, everyone's trying to get fit, everyone's trying to get their skin looking good, their bodies looking good, everyone's trying to do all this stuff. And my main thing is to just try and eat better. I am a really picky eater. I don't like a lot of things. So the fact that I can eat these things and have like 7 ounces, 100 milliliters, which is pretty much like a shot of a drink that can help me with calming down, stress reducer. That's exactly what this does, is it helps to improve your sleep, reduce stress, it has antioxidants, detox support. Super easy to add to anything that you're doing. You do a face mask once a week, maybe once every other week. Just a nice little thing. Do a face mask, make a little drink. It tastes literally like water. It doesn't taste like anything. Same with this one. It has like a little bit of a citrusy taste, but it dissolves on your tongue instantly. It doesn't taste like anything. If I can eat it, you can eat it. Guaranteed. That is everything with this video. I will be updating occasionally on my Instagram. I will have my link down below to my Instagram if you guys want to keep up with this with me and see how everything is going. I will also have a link for Sigmatic down in the description as well if you want to check these out. If you want to look at everything, send it over to your doctor. I'll have that link down below for you guys. Also, don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Hit that bell notification. I did get a notification that my Beautylish box is coming. So, good news for you guys. It will be coming soon. So hit that bell so you don't miss out on what I got for my lucky bag. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and thank you for watching.